Hi everyone, my name's David from The Niche Man. I'm here today to show you 4 easy steps in how to install a shower niche. So first of all, step 1, make sure that the niche fits into the stud wall. Yep, we're fine there. So step 2 is to apply the polyurethane adhesive sealant. It must be a polyurethane adhesive sealant. Right, so first of all, applying the glue. We apply the glue to the inside of the stud wall like so, all around the front, just with a line like so. And don't forget underneath your noggin. And most importantly is on the front of the stud, all the way around. Like so. Step 3, insert the niche, making sure that you have good bond and adhesive all the way around. Making sure that the niche is level and also plumb. Now step 4 is the fixing of the niche. We recommend that you use a 30 to 40 mil screw, either a stainless steel or galvanised screw, and you only fix through the front of the reveal. No need to screw into the side or into the top or into the bottom of the niche. Like so, checking again that it hasn't moved and the niche is still level. One more screw. And that's step 4. Thank you very much for watching how to install a niche.